What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you a very interesting setup that's emerging right now on a Forex pair. I want to show you guys this because I think it has great potential to run. So let's just jump right into the charts and take a look. Alright, so before I start with the analysis of this one, I want to give a huge shout out and a big thank you to Prime XPT for helping me out and sponsoring me on the channel. As you guys know, Prime XPT is my main go-to exchange. I switched to doing all my Forex trades on Prime XPT. You can use your Bitcoin as collateral, so you can basically trade the legacy markets by using crypto as collateral. So that's pretty cool, guys. If you're a crypto trader and you want to increase your BTC holdings, you can actually trade Forex and at the same time increase your BTC holdings to make the most out of this coming bull market for crypto. So very exciting stuff. Definitely check out Prime XPT. If you use the link in the description below and use the promo code LIBS42 bonus, you will get a 50% increase on your first deposit. All right? Don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out. Alright, so this is the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Alright, so I want to show you this weekly trend right here. Obviously, we had a quite a big, huge weekly downtrend lately. I'm going to add the moving averages right here. Sorry, the Fibonacci retracement levels by using this high up here to the low down here. Alright, let's change the template here to the RLC, and you will see that the RLC comes in pretty nicely around where the price currently is, right? We also have the weekly 200 simple right here, and we're gonna go down into the daily and take a closer look at this move of the 618, the lower part of the RLC, right? So as you can see here, price bounced perfectly, very beautifully off the daily 21 EMA, confluent with the 618. This, in my opinion, is a good indication that the trend is alive and well. The trend is very much to the upside right now. We're obviously running into resistance right here up inside the short RLC. So it's a bit risky inside this territory, but I'm going to show you what I'm looking at on this one. This is basically a very simple strategy that I'm using when trading Forex. I've used this for quite some time, and it's just a simple break and retest strategy. What you want to do is you want to find a resistance area. Like, we can remove the RLC right now because we don't really need it. So you look for a resistance area, right? And it's this one right here. You can see price running into resistance here, breaking above, using it as resistance here, support here. And now what you're seeing right now is you have the 4 hour 21 and 55 and the 50 EMA right in the middle of this resistance area. You have a quite clear W pattern right here, a double bottom pattern. It's very nice to find these W patterns when the neckline of the W is confluent with a major resistance area. That means when you get a breakout, you're probably going to get a pretty big breakout, and the idea here is to long the first rounded retest of this resistance area, right? Hoping that the first retest will turn into support. I'm not going to blindly buy it. I'm going to wait for an actual bounce. And what I mean by waiting for an actual bounce is waiting for something like an hourly bullish engulfing, right? So we also have on the hourly, we have the 21 EMA, the 55 EMA, the 50 EMA, the 200 simple, and the 200 EMA, all of these right in the middle of this resistance area. This is what I'm looking at. I'm going to be taking some off at this high, probably take 25% off here, 25% off here, and I'm going to let the rest of the position, the 50% that's still open, if we come all the way up here, I'm going to let it run in case this is a high time frame confirmation of this or high time frame continuation, I should say, of this uptrend. So that's a very nice trade. And guys, I want to show you something else quickly. All right, so if you guys are not members of the Birb Nest, I'm going to show you something very cool here. So in the Birb Nest trading community, find a link in the description below if you're interested in joining or interested in checking it out. We also have a free weekly newsletter where we post a lot of educational content and the occasional free call. So definitely check out the newsletter in the description of this video. So this is a post I did in the Forex Trades part of the Discord, right? This is a trade I took on Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, right? I've entered right here, and we had this very, very nice run up where I've exited. And check this out, guys. This was the exact top right here. So in the Birb Nest, we sold the, pretty much perfect entry and the exact top, right? Now I'm looking at a similar trade on Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar right now, and this is what I'm looking at, right? So I really think that this will be a repeat of something like this, and I think that if we get this reclaim, I think we have a high time frame confirmation for a move to the upside. And really the profit taking areas for this one be, all the way up in this region at least. So that's going to be a quite good trade, right? Take a look at that one. I mean, at least a 3R on this one, not bad, right? We can probably extend the take profit areas way more, but these are the levels that I'm looking to take some profits, right? Get that one, and this is probably the most important one, right? So I would like to, have exited about 50% here and just letting it run to this area. So something like that is what I'm looking at. Let's see what we get, guys. I'm gonna edit this video and I'll upload it as quickly as possible so that you guys can get the chance to enter this one if you get the breakout and around the retest. Alright guys, thanks for joining. See you guys later.